Very warm welcome. Today in this about how you can create image Google Imagen without wasting time. Let's get started. So please sign in Google Cloud Skill tab and try to open this tab in. Okay, let's export the task. This is not a challenge lamp or anything. Let's try to understand how can we particular Google. So basically, go that here you can find the entire here you can your guess code or any. Yeah, if you want to try this thing, collab, you can try this thing. If you do. Okay, yeah. Okay, so here we need to click on I understand. Now please click agree this all terms and so now what is the, let's go Vertex AI. Vertex AI is a nothing but all in AI ML. Either you can search from or click on navigation bar. Here you can here you can find Vertex AI workbench. Please click workbench. Take some time and Google is already created us. Here you can find the generative AI Jupyter tab just click on the start so here you can find the first thing get our Vertex AI SD. Here you see the note, the interactive use the Pillow library process Python. Let's get start. So here you can see here we click on this repo download. Just copy this command on this. Either you can find everything AI folder. Now let's go where we need to get started. Get started. Here you can data so here you can entire git entire repo. So now please click on shift enter and it will run the first thing. If you run this collab run otherwise you file. But next task is require library import Google from Google import GenAI and from AI import types. Now what is our next task is environment variable. Just copy here you can find our ID, our project and initiate set the client of now our task is display image. For image anything. Our next task is here we use and also for faster so here we give here you can see the A realistic MSS. Let's see how much time it will. What is the quality of. So okay, we will try to just enter shift run and let's see. And if you want to, here we can see add some here in the types generative imitation we can change aspect ratio, how many safety feature we need, and some other function, some other attribute don't allow the particular person can or remove it, can okay, here we can see the quality to let's code. Here you can fast it. So here we can adult. Here we have here we face here. Oh, it's amazing. Next, let's run another. Yeah, if you found this, thank you so much. We will next lecture about how you can agent other